the like button and the subscribe button. And also, don't forget to hit the bell notification to receive any of the new latest videos. Thank you.
This is so good and so quick. They're like grilled candy yams, I'll say. And especially good in the cast iron skillet. Now we're going to do sauteed mixed greens. Do one cube. If you don't have veggie broth, throw in a little water. I use alkaline water. Spring water is fine too. That's what your broth is looking. A little bit of spike salt. Now what consists of this earth salt is fresh wild flowers cured in sea salt. Some agave. And throw some shishito peppers up in here. These are mild peppers. They're very tasty. So they're not spicy. Chop that up, put that in there. This is my compost. My compost scrapings. Give it back to the earth. We'll give this back to the earth. For our garlic, we're going to do some garlic. We're going to start off with some kale collards. That wonderful collard. We're going to use a scallion and one red chili. Not the whole scallion, just like a third of it. I'm going to chop that up, put that in there. It's the chili pepper. Now we're going to throw these collards in here. I'm going to use some of this celery too. You don't have to do this, but this is what I like to do. And the rest goes to the compost. Next greens, like broccoli greens. We're going to use this whole bunch because I just love them. I don't even know why I'm messing around. I'm going to eat all of this. Your veggie wash. We're going to just cut these things on up. Oh my God. I'm so excited. That's how much I love broccoli greens. Where have these been all my life is what you're going to say. I'm telling you, it's worth to go and look for a local farmer to see if they harvest broccoli greens. I'm telling you, these are so good. Also, what's good is sweet potato greens. Oh my goodness. Those are so divine. Now, you might be able to get those at a regular farmer's market. I know you can't get it at a regular grocery store, Whole Foods, or anything like that. Maybe next episode, next show, I'll do sweet potato greens. I really love them, but they didn't have any harvest right now at the local farmers market. See, that's why it's so important to eat your food that's in season, because that's what your body needs, and it's local. And you know, you can't have these type of vegetables all year round. Broccoli greens don't grow all year round. It's around this time that is harvest. Talk about preparing your medicine. This is medicine right here. This is medicine. Look at that color. It's just beautiful. Now we got our kale. I can't forget about the kale. Okay, now we got the mustard greens. I'm not putting that much mustard greens in. Mustard greens going down. Some more tomatoes up in here. See these greens? We're going to cover them. And let that do what it do. This is the broccoli greens, the kale, collard greens, and the mustard greens. This is going to be good.
Whatever I can achieve.
It is time for you to return to the true nature of your being and to consciously live the success that the experiencing of your own life has helped you determine that you desire. And so as you deliberately relax right now, breathing deeply and listening steadily, you will begin to gradually but surely remember how all success comes, for you already inherently understand it. And so you will certainly feel resonance with these absolute truths as you hear about them here. The eternal laws of the universe are consistent and reliable and steadily hold always the promise of expansion and joy. They are being presented to you here in a powerful rhythm of understanding that will start small within you and then expand as you listen further until you reawaken into the knowledge of your purpose and your own personal power as you remember how to access the power of the universe that creates worlds. If this time-space reality has within it the ability to inspire a desire within you, it is our absolute promise that this time-space reality has the ability to yield you a full and satisfying manifestation of that same desire. It is law.
To achieve success is my natural birthright.
Most people naturally assume that if their life is not going the way they want it to go, something outside of them must be preventing the improvement, for no one would deliberately hold their own success away. But while pointing the blame at others may feel better than assuming responsibility for unwanted conditions, there's a very big negative repercussion to believing that something outside of you is the reason for your own lack of success. When you give the credit or the blame to another for your success or lack of it, you're powerless to make any change. When you desire success, but from your perspective you're not currently experiencing it, at many deep levels of your being you recognize that something is wrong. And as this strong feeling of personal discord magnifies your awareness that you're not getting what you want, it often sets into motion other counterproductive assumptions that evoke jealousy toward those who are having more success, or resentment at a myriad of people you would like to blame for your lack of success, or even self-denigration, which is the most painful and counterproductive assumption of all. And we want you to know that this uncomfortable upheaval is not only normal, but it's the perfect response for your feeling lack of success. Your emotional discomfort is a powerful indicator that something is very wrong. You are meant to succeed, and failure should feel bad to you. You are meant to be well, and sickness should not be accepted. You're supposed to expand, and stagnation is intolerable. Life is supposed to go well for you. When it does not, there is something wrong.